Hi there. This is a short demonstration video to introduce you to Kryon Assistant, part of Kryon's AI-powered full-cycle automation suite. Kryon Assistant, also known as Kryon Attended Robot, is a lightweight client installed on a user's machine. Its sole purpose is to run processes for the user. While inactive, the assistant stays silent and disabled and wakes up only when the user decides. Kryon Assistant opens with a small search bar allowing the user to search for wizards related to the defined applications. Note that wizards are searchable only when their status is published. Kryon Assistant usually displays on the user's taskbar and launches automatically, but it can also be activated manually by the user. Simply click on the robot icon to open Kryon Assistant, which will pop up to display a search bar on your screen. From the search bar, you can search for processes, keywords, or applications and run them whenever you wish. If you are working with an application and open Kryon Assistant, it can offer you processes to run that are using this application. Kryon Assistant starts running automatically when the sensor is defined to launch wizards. The sensor listens to the applications, windows, and processes you run on your machine, and starts the assistant when the right criteria is met. It can also be set to run a limited number of times in a specific hour or date. You can select which mode to run the wizard in: Do It or Guide Me. The Do It mode makes the assistant run automatically on your machine and stops as defined. The Guide Me mode instructs the user where to click or what to press, and can be very handy when you want to teach your users how to work with applications or where to find certain things. There are various settings you can allow your users to set on Kryon Assistant, like mouse speed, cursor view, Kryon icon display, credential settings, sounds, caching, and more. This concludes the Kryon Assistant demonstration video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit Kryon Academy for more information about this topic.